What you say, Hunt?
We made it to Idaho, boys. Coyote howled and turkey gobbled. We just saw 4 or 5 gobblers. So
This is no lie. We just drove to Idaho. It's what, the 7th or the 8th?
yep.
And we just pulled up to this first place here. And coyote howled at 1 o'clock.
Turkey gobbled.
Just let her eat again.
You ought to see them go up to that.
There, he just gobbled.
Yeah.
Did you not hear him?
Yeah.
He just gobbled.
Well, we're walking around. I can't hear.
There he gobbled again. He's right over there.
Well, here we are. Back in camo. That means we in a new state. Where we at, Isaac?
We're in Idaho.
Idaho, Idaho, we Idaho's. For some turkeys. It is about what, 2:30? 3. And we picked a road. We're gonna see what we can come up with. Try and get on some for the evening. See if we can't keep the ball rolling. Me and Isaac on the gun. And we got old Titty Becky up there taking the camera. See what we can't come up with. Yeah. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. We're going to get up there and coyote howl. Coyote howl. Stop going. Saddle.
You won't hear me. All open up there, you know. If we get up right here, we can hit that road.
You think so?
You may be. Give it just a second and see. Since we gotta.
Damn, he's right there. He is coming. Where are we gonna get?
We're going back up on this road right here.
Who's gonna call me her?
He's already up on the other side. Down. He's already up across the drainage. Yeah. Get to the next one. We might see what they do.
Over here.
Yeah. Right there.
Where'd the crab daddy go? I said, where'd the crab daddy go?
How close did she get? Oh,
Like 3 yards.
right there?
Yeah.
You see her right here?
Yeah.
She comes to the end of the stick.
I couldn't turn the camera. I got her. I got her on the other side of the stump right here.
That was pretty cool.
Why'd he quit?
Up here?
Sounded like. I thought I heard one a minute ago. What the heck happened here? Flat. Like that's probably the road, ain't it? So there's not much of a dip. If we could cut across on the right spot, we could come out on this top and you zoom out, and right there's where all those turkeys were. Like literally just on the back side of that.
Yep. Well, let's cut across.
You want to go right over here and do it first?
Well, oh hell, you get the looking right there. I'm pretty sure that's the top up there.
Looks like it.
I think the damn, it's a lot longer.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Instead of this being the top and it going like that, it goes like this to trees.
Yeah. We need to figure out the best way to get to the speaker. Get here from here. Get here from there. Go over the top.
One of them wanted to go. You think? It does look like a dog, don't it?
Well, we just made a pretty good pull. We was just over there. Now we're over here. Just seen 3 turkeys where we came from. And then what happened?
One just gobbled right over here. I think a man needs to get up there. You sure he was over here?
It sounded like he's right over
Up here?
Mm-hmm.
he's right there.
I didn't hear him very good.
That's the same turkey you heard down there.
I bet it is, yeah. He's probably in that road
Could be.
that the elk was in.
I wonder if he can hear us.
Rookie, you gonna go kill them turkeys or not? A bunch of them. Slim. Did you really? Swear on my life. Yeah. You're the boss. Do you want to go get this one or them? There's more down there. Yeah.
Just heard one yodel twice. Where do you think he's at, Ozzy?
I think he's across the canyon.
Just
Across
the
the
grass. We're gonna get down there and see if we can't get better.
He's wrong if he thinks we won't go right back across there.
We're gonna see where he's at. Get a better idea. It is 6:10, so we still got plenty of time.
Look, the road's just right there. He's across.
He's gotta be.
Dude, if we can beat him, we'll never beat him to the road.
No, never. You kill that turkey.
Oh, yeah.
That's the same one from today, I bet.
Mm-hmm.
That's the same one that we got on, I guarantee it. It looks just like him.
I didn't see him.
Do
There
that.
he is.
You see him?
Yeah, he's coming back out to the left. See him?
I think so.
God almighty, dude.
Shit. You see him, Slim?
We've got to go.
Slim, do you see him?
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Yeah, come on.
Let's go.
Y'all go and I'll spot.
Okay.
He's right over there hammering. He's down in the road now.
Do you see him, Slim?
No, do you?
Slim. You think that's in range? You think? We'll see what he does. Is he still standing there? I can't see him. He is. Okay, I called. Okay, alright. You sure he's coming? No, we don't want to see him until he gets at that tree. Just make sure you don't shoot the ground. That spit sounded closer. I know. Oh yeah, he's coming. Hey, take your time. What? Nothing. He's picked like crazy. Sound like he's to the left. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's coming. Does it not sound like he's to the left? Yeah. Oh my God, he's right here. Where? Right there. Kill him. Take your time. Take your time. What about that sun? What about that sun? How about that old sun? Come on! We got our spotter. He's up there on that mountain over there, boys. I can't get enough of it, boys. Son, that's why he kept sounding to the left. How did we not see him? I just seen his head. I said, oh, he's right there. Yeah, baby. God. He come up, he said, good work, boss.
Thanks, fella.
Idaho, day one. It didn't take long. Let's keep it rolling.
He's up there. He's up there in the mountain somewhere. Somewhere.
It's like elk hunting for turkeys.
Yeah, we We started all the way up there where Isaac's at. We come down across this whole mountain. We got right here in the shade. Oh boy. It was worth the pull, son.
Gosh, you dang right. Back and forth. Back and forth.
Hey, you know what?
What?
Pretty sure I hit record.
I hope so.
I'm pretty sure. You said, there he is. I just hit record. I said, yep, it's on. So,
Old boy did it right. Didn't he?
he did.
He did it
Hit
right.
the drum. Oh, dude, it sounded like he was to the left.
Yeah. I was like, dude,
How did we not see him?
I don't know. He must have dipped down over there.
You think he come around through there and just pop? No, he was in the middle of the road.
I don't know, but he
Don't
messed
mess
up.
up his.
He messed up.
Mighty fine, fella, mighty fine.
Mighty fine, son.
Look at that, son. Hold on, let me get this baby up here. Oh man, son. Oh man. How about that for Idaho? Hey, he's got some shopping.
Yeah, he does. Them ain't too shabby.
What do you think that's our old boy from earlier?
I don't know. Probably. What do you think about that little show we put on? He put
Yeah,
on.
He did. What did you do? Oh, it's laying all the way down there. Why does it ever?
Ooh, boy.
What was that? Good puff.
Come on. Ain't nothing like that smell.
Boys, we better beat feet if we're gonna have us a game plan for in the morning.
We gotta find another one.
Dude, I believe that's our boy from earlier.
Yeah. That looks just like him.